Greetings, I am Mary. I am Mary, Mother of Hope, Mother of Safety, Mother of Security, Mother of Nurturing, Mother of Change, Mother of Constancy, Mother of Grace. There is very little that I do not embrace as creator, as co-creator with you and with this planet of Gaia. So often, your journey of life is about coming home, about finding me and reuniting with me, and anchoring my love and energy within you, around you, above you, below you. That is right. But what of my journey? My infinite, eternal journey? What am I creating? Constantly. Never ending, always changing. There are eternal truths. There are eternal qualities, and they are reflected and part of every creation I have ever made, and that includes you. I do not say it in the way of I am in charge of you, for that would not be of truth, and it most certainly would not be of love. It is why you have been created, born, birthed, with the choice and the free will. That is your birthright. But so often, sweet angels of grace, you are seeking me, but I want you to know I am seeking you. And not only that I am seeking you, I have found you. You are exactly where you need to be, positioned on Gaia in fulfillment of your sacred purpose and my sacred purpose, of my plan and your plan. I invite each and every one of you to come and live in my house. Not just the home of your heart, because that is why I am using this house terminology, because most of you think of house as a physical, tangible structure. And that is what I am doing. I am inviting you. I'm excited. Come and live in my house. The house where truth lives and nurturing thrives, where fortitude and gentleness, understanding and wisdom are housed and welcome. I am not asking you I am not guiding you to seek alternate reality. Gaia herself is firmly anchored in the seventh dimensional reality of love, of Christ consciousness. And so are you, as your ascended selves. You do not always know it. That is why I am inviting you to come and live in my house, or even more importantly, declare your house a Mary zone. Declare your right to live as you know, your truth, your love, your heart, your mind, your body demands, commands, and chooses. So often you think of coming to me, and I have certainly beckoned to you time and time and time again. But what I say to you, bright angels of love, you have been beckoning to me. And so I am coming to you. No, I am not talking about assuming physical form. But I am talking about the brilliance of my energy, of the creator force, of the divine feminine, being firmly anchored, not only upon the planet, but in each and every one of your hearts, yes, but in the practicality of your life. I am not merely an esoteric, distant mother. I house you, I clothe you, I feed you. I tend to you when you are sick or heartbroken. I tend to you when you are confused or bewildered. I tend to you when you are excited and over the moon in joy. I am with you. I am with you in all ways. You, sweet angels, human, men, women, daughters, and sons. You are me, upon the planet, living in my house, living one of my many lives in fulfillment. Do this in your name, but also do it in mine. Go with my love, and go, sweet angels, in peace. Farewell.